Hello children, how are you? I'm fine. Today I have a question for you. Do you like fruit? I have to show you some pictures about fruit. Lemon, mango, fig, cherry, grape, date, and papaya. I know a parrot that loves fruit. This parrot is TICO Tango. This is a parrot, and this parrot loves eat fruit. Questo pappagallo ama mangiare la frutta e vedrete che cosa combinerà in questa storia. The Parrot TICO Tango by Anna Witt. The Parrot TICO Tango. The parrot TICO Tango had a round yellow mango, but it wasn't quite as yellow as the lemon of Marcello, and TICO Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he took it. The parrot TICO Tango had a round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright. When he spied Elena's fig, which was purple, sweet, and big, and TICO Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he grabbed it. The parrot TICO Tango had the round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig with a fig, which was purple, sweet, and big. When he noticed his friend Terry with a red, juicy cherry, and TICO Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he stole it. He stole the cherry. The parrot TICO Tango had the round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig which was purple, sweet, and big, and on his back from Terry a red, juicy cherry. When he saw Marina munch on a green grape bunch, and TICO Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he snatched it. The parrot TICO Tango had the round yellow mango, and he carried to his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig which was purple, sweet, and big, and on his back from Terry a red, juicy cherry. And he clutched the grapes he'd put in his strong, sharp foot when he spotted poor Soraya with a deep orange papaya. And TICO Tango knew that he had to have it too, so he said it. Papaya from Soraya. The parrot TICO Tango had the round yellow mango, and he carried on his right a lemon small and bright, and on his left a fig, which was purple, sweet and big, and on his back from Terry a red, juicy cherry, and he clutched the grapes he'd put in his strong, sharp boot. And in his other foot he held two papaya he had smelled. When he saw his good friend eat with a thin brown teeth, and TICO Tango knew that he had to have it too. So he opened his beak wide to fit it deep inside. Crash! Down came the mango, down came the lemon, down came the fig, down came the cherry, down came the grapes, and down came the papaya. Poor TICO Tango! Oh, he was sad. Now the parrot TICO Tango didn't even have his mango, but his friends threw what a treat, and that fruit they had to eat. They took the fruit he stole and they put it in a bowl. They wash it and they slice it and they peel it and they dissed it, and TICO Tango felt contrite. He knew he had to put things right. Please forgive me, I feel bad that I took the fruit you had. And the parrot TICO Tango begged for just one piece of mango. His friends were quite divided, but soon they all decided he deserved another chance. They will make the parrot dance. If you teach us all to tango, you can have a piece of mango. And TICO Tango knew that he had to have it too. So he danced for it. The end. Do you remember all the names of the fruit? Let's play together. What is it? It's orange, is sweet, is a papaya. Good. What is it? Green, sweet, grapes. Very good. What is it? Red is cherry. Excellent. What is it? Sweet and big is a fig. Yes, all right. And do you remember what is it? It's round, yellow, mango. Yes, perfect. And this is small and bright is a lemon. Well done. And this is teeny and brown is roundy. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite is the sweet and big fig. It's delicious. Well, our story time is finished. I give you a big kiss and see you next story time. Bye bye, ci vediamo alla prossima storia. Ciao!